This is a video about how Home Depot screwed me over. Stay tuned, subscribe. Have you ever seen the return policy when you are buying anything from Home Depot? If you have read the return policy, you would notice that when you purchase anything that is $1,000 and over, you cannot return that over money in cash. This is the story what happened to me when I purchased something that was over $2,000 and they could not return the money in the same day as I purchased.
Only $100 to $200 in every register.
And how are you going to pay me? How are you going to pay me the $1,000 if there's 100 and 200?
I never said I was going to pay you $1,000. I'm not going to pay you anything. I'm going to send it to you through the mail.
No, he said I could pay you $1,000 today.
He's going to have to wipe out all the registers.
You're going to... I'm recording this. I'm recording this because it doesn't make sense to me.
I have to do a mailing check.
I need the money back. I paid in cash. It doesn't make sense to me. You guys have to. I mean, I paid.
I only have so much money in the registers, and I could only give you.
You have a lot of money in all the registers here. I'm not suggesting that you should take it from every single one, but I paid in cash. I just need the cash back. That's it.
So the only thing I can do is a check.
He said you could get $1,000 today, and the rest in mail. I'd rather get my money back.
So you want $1,000 today?
I want $2,200, whatever the amount
is.
is.
You want me to hit check, or what do you want to do?
I want my money back.
So, like I said, I could do a mail-in check.
I don't want a mail-in check. I want my money back.
That's the only thing I could do. I can't give you all the money from the register.
So you're saying either you can't give me all the money, or you could just give me the mail-in check. I want my money back.
Yeah, that's fine. So
I don't want a mail-in check. I want.
It's going to get mailed into your house.
How long is that going to take?
It takes about 7 days to get it to your house.
The gentleman just said 2 weeks. You're saying 7 days.
Yeah,
Who do I believe? Who do I believe, Alex?
Okay, so
imagine you're in my place, dude. Like, come on.
I know, there isn't much I can do.
Other than the fact that you guys have to post this on the wall for me not to buy anything with cash here, I don't know about this. This is my first time having this issue. It's not presented to the client.
There's nothing I can do. So I can't.
There is a lot you guys could do, but you guys don't want to do it.
There you go. So I could mail you a check. I'm not telling you that I'm not.
I don't want my check. I want my cash.
I'm willing to give you
That's
all
the
your
reason.
money, but the only way I could give you your money is through a mail-in check because we do not have enough money in the registers right now.
Can you give me half of what I paid in cash? The gentleman said you could receive. It's written
so
here.
You're willing to take $1,000 and the rest in mail?
That's the only way I could get some of my money back.
We'll give him $1,000 in cash and the rest in mail.
And you just said there's only a few $100 in the registers.
Yeah, so he's gonna have to take it out of all the registers to get it to you.
And you can just take the rest of them out.
That's not how it works.
Well, unfortunately, it has to change. This is not the right way. I'm not saying that this is wrong. This is correct. But this needs to be presented to us in the back of the receipt. It needs to be presented to us on the walls. You guys have so much wall space here. Look at that. $9.99 is the most we could return in cash. Is what needs to be written here. For me not to argue with you or him or him.
If you go online, you could always look.
I don't want to go online. I'm walking in here. I'm not going to go online when I walk in here and purchase anything in cash.
So he's going to get you that $1,000. Is there anything else I could help you out with?
I need the rest of the money.
So he's going to mail the rest in check. You have a good day, sir. Thank you.
Do you even have my information?
What?
Do you even have my information to mail me the rest of the money that I paid in cash?
We didn't put it afterwards. Okay. So I'm gonna do a split transaction. However, I'm gonna go need to get some change because I don't have enough right now. Otherwise. Hey, look, coming up. Thank you. so I'll just need a signature for that one, please.
This is bullshit. That's all you gotta say. This is freaking bullshit. This is the amount they're returning to me, even though it says you can't return this amount to me. I don't understand the way Home Depot works or operates.
Let me count of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7. That's that. And then let me do the rest. I would need an ID, please. I just need your ID.
People will know that when you're buying something from here, anything over 1,000 in cash, you can't get the money back.
When you purchase something over there, we can't have more than 1,000 in the register. We have to set
Yeah,
it
but-
up. It goes into the vault. It's just
I've already paid that money into the machine, which has that money in the machine. You can take it out from there and bring it back to me.
it's just no policy. Look, it's right here.
Yeah, but
Purchases
I'm
ma-
not. When anybody, you ask 100% of the people here, 100%, when they're purchasing something from Home Depot, they don't look at any of these policies because they know when they purchase something and it doesn't work or it's wrong, they can just return it. That's just the way it is.
I understand, and I don't make the rules. I'm just letting you know we can't
Yeah,
do
but
more
the
than
rules are not
1,000.
presented to us. It should be,
Okay,
oh,
but I
anything over
can't- I
$1,000
can't
bucks,
break it.
you can't return it.
It says it right here
Yeah, but it says it's so tiny and
For
on the
returns.
returns area, not when you're purchasing something.
for returns, because you can pay with more than 1,000. We just can't give you back for a return.
Yeah, but what if? Exactly, I don't know about this, sir.
Well, I'm
Jeremy,
letting you
I don't
know.
know about this.
I'm letting you know. It
Yeah,
has
but
it
you're
right
letting
here.
me know after I purchase something.
Well, you have to call corporate because we can't do anything. It says it right there. If I do that for you, then
Where? You gotta do it for me because I
we
got it
can't- I
today.
can, man.
I
I
bought
can,
it
I'm
today
telling
and
you.
I'm returning it today.
Right here.
It's not like I bought it 60, 90, 120 days ago.
cash and cash equivalent purchases exceeding $1,000 may be refunded as a mail check and be sent by the Home Depot corporate office. It's a corporate policy. Like I can't.
Yeah, but the corporate policy needs to present it to us in front of us
Well, you
before we
can-
purchase anything.
you can complain about that, but I can't override what corporate says. I don't have that kind of authority. The store manager.
How long does this return process take? I need my
the mail
money back.
checks. How long does it take, Anthony? The mail checks?
1 to 2 weeks.
1 to 2 weeks? Are you guys kidding me? I bought the products today. What are you talking about?
I don't make the rules.
Who's higher than you? Bring the highest person. This is not right.
I don't think they're here anymore.
This is not the way I've
up there?
been buying stuff from here for 20 years.
This one.
I've never had issues like this, and this is the worst possible time for me. I can't wait 2 weeks for something that needs to be in my pocket today because I purchased it today with the same cash. And that's the amount I need to return back.
Yeah, like I said, store policy says you can't get more than 1,000 back.
You guys have more than 100,000 right now in the vault sitting there. I'm sure you guys have a lot more than that right now.
I can only
Yeah,
show you the store
but
policy.
you're showing this to me after. It's not written on the receipt. It's not written anywhere that I'm not gonna receive anything back. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm sure you understand, but you guys have to do something today.
We can't.
Call the corporate office today. I need my money back today.
I can't call the corporate office.
Why?
Because I can't call them and tell them that the policies that I
Yeah,
showed
the
you
policy
were
is
wrong.
not presented to the client
If you want to call,
at the
you
time.
can call the corporate office. You can give them my name. My name's Jeremy, but I can't break corporate policy.
Something needs to happen right now. This is not the right way of doing business.
After all that, they sent me the check back within about a week.